Hi, I'm Johnny Covalt. I'm a mechanical engineer at Hunting Energy Services, and I'm going to walk you through T-Set1 number 10 configuration. So I'm going to be walking you through how to assemble a T-Set1 number 10. In order to do this, you need two kits. You'll need the T-Set1 kit-10 and T-Set1 000, which contains the baseline components. Starting out, you'll take the top cylinder from the number 10 kit and the lower cylinder from the baseline components kit. Secure the top cylinder in the vise and install or thread on the lower cylinder. This lower cylinder can go either direction. The threads are the same on both sides. Once you're done with this step, you can remove this from the vise and set it to the side for now. Next, you want to take the power charge chamber piston. For this video, we're not going to be installing O-rings, but there are two O-rings that would go here and two O-rings that would go here. You make sure these are properly lubricated. Install this into the vise. Make sure that your vise is not on the O-ring land. Next, you'll take the cylinder head and the piston rod. There are two ID O-rings that need to be installed here and one external O-ring here. You'll slide the cylinder head over the piston rod, and at this point you will install the impact material. These are 3 rings that come in your redress kit. You have to use all 3 rings. Next, you'll thread this into the piston until it shoulders up completely. At this point, you'll take the slotted mandrel and your crosslink sleeve. You need to slide the crosslink sleeve over the slotted mandrel so that the external threads are pointed towards the lower end of the tool. And you can go ahead and thread that into the cylinder head. Next, line up your crosslink slot on the piston rod and the crosslink sleeve. Take your crosslink, slide it through. Take the retention ring and install so that the crosslink does not fall out. I'm going to rotate this so you can see there is a threaded hole here that this brass shear screw will be installed into. Before that can happen, you need to make sure that the cylinder head is bottomed up to your crosslink sleeve. So by pulling on the slotted mandrel, now you can install this brass screw. Once that's complete, you can install the lower adapter into the bottom of the slotted mandrel. And install the 1/4 20 set screw to make sure that that stays retained. The last part for the internal components of T-Set1 is this last little set screw, which goes into the cylinder head here to make sure that the slotted mandrel stays retained. Now the internal components of T-Set1 number 10 are complete. Take this out of the vise, set it to the side, and replace with your cylinders. Now, making sure that there's ample grease applied on your O-rings, slide this into the lower cylinder until this bottoms up, and thread the two assemblies together. And T-set 1, number 10 configuration is done.